photo key, short press photo, video key, short press video. Trajectory flight. Enter the app interface. Click on the trajectory flight icon. Draw the trajectory points. Click on the send icon. The drone will start from the initial point to the first point of the trajectory, and then in order to fly point by point. Intelligent follow. Click on the intelligent following icon. The drone to the current location to the operator's mobile phone distance as a benchmark for intelligent following. Insert point surround. Click on the surround icon. Set the surround center point. Set the surround parameters, and then click on the send icon. The drone will fly to the center point to set the parameters for the surround flight. Drone blade installation. Expand the arm of the drone. Expand the rear arm of the drone upward and backward. The forward arm of the drone is then extended downward and forward. Propeller blade replacement of drone. The propeller blades of the drone are squeezed down and rotate. Pull out the propeller blade again. The propeller blade clip of the drone is aimed at the clip position. Press the clamp down by hand and rotate. Tighten the propeller blade. When replacing, please note the corresponding Type 2 and Type O blades. Battery replacement and charging. Press the button on the side of the battery. Pull back. Take out the battery. Take out the charging plug of the battery. Plug in charger. The green light flashes slowly while charging. The green light goes on when the battery is full. The charge time is about 4 hours. After the battery is charged, reinsert the battery charging plug. Push the battery into the card slot. When you hear a click, the battery will lock up.